morning, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. This is my first vlog, and I'll be doing it on Thanksgiving Day. I'll be helping my daughter, Janet, from Level Up with Janet E, to prepare a Thanksgiving meal for the family. Stay tuned and see what we have in store. I will talk to you later. This will be my first vlog, so please forgive me if I do things a little bit wrong, especially if I don't give my commentary as I'm filming people. I completely forgot because I'm used to taping and then doing voiceovers later. But with this video here, you'll see me recording people as they do each chore. And as you'll see, almost everyone in the family has a different thing that they're doing to prepare the meal to make a complete Thanksgiving meal. So sit back, enjoy, and I will talk to you later. Because that's what we do. Hot sauce, because that's what we do.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have hot sauce.
Stuffing making? Okay, Dr. Janet says this is sausage making or the stuffing.
I'll put some onions in it too, so. What is this?
Commercial.
Another commercial.
Bring the sweet potatoes for the, what kind of sweet potatoes we're making, Janet?
Candy yam.
Candied yam. So I hope you heard that, folks. So Janet was searching a lot on the TV to try to find some modern Christmas music. She kept coming across the old stuff, you know, the stuff with Eartha Kitt or Dean Martin, Frank Sinatra, Johnny Mathis, and she finally found the one that had something modern. When we heard Mariah Carey, we knew it was modern. That's Jalen letting us see the greens. Woo! You want to get
good?
Looks good.
Yeah, I love greens.
Yeah, me too.
Are they supposed to be off like that?
Yes, this is my handsome grandson. Yeah.
That's a lot of stuff.
You don't need to put it on. And what is this called?
This is candied yams.
Candy
And I put
yams.
cinnamon nutmeg.
Cinnamon nutmeg. Like Dr. Janet.
Brown
Yours.
sugar with cranberries, dried cranberries.
All right. Dr. Janet, yours. Level Up with Janet E. Wrap it up and throw it in the oven. Janet also decided to include ham, so she'll be roasting a ham as well. My handsome grandson Jalen is making the mac and cheese. Here you see him filling the pot with water, getting it started.
Got it.
My grandson Jalen I call J-Win because he wins.
Oh. So how does the guy not remember?
Because he just interfered with the mom. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So he doesn't know. Janet said Jalen had a chance to make this mac and cheese for some of his friends from college, so they all loved it according to her, and so he decided to make it for the family. What's that you're putting on, Jalen? What's that? What's
Some
that?
oregano.
Oregano?
Yeah.
Jalen's putting oregano on his mac and cheese. Pats of butter, see?
Mac and cheese has to be fatty. That's the way I like it.
Really? Yeah, he put egg. I saw him put the egg. Janet told me that you want me to record it. Janet told me that you don't like to be on camera, to be recorded.
Oh, I don't mind me on camera.
I'm the same way. I don't like. That's why you don't see my face on my videos.
Every single chance you get. That's
Really?
That's what mom does is dirty. Mom catches us off guard. She doesn't give us any warning. We look crazy in the picture.
Oh, really?
Perfectly ready.
Whose channel is it? Anyway, so. Man, I should never. Right, to the outsider, that's not the case. Mom doesn't see that when she looks at the pictures. The dog seem to think that.
Yeah, that's your plan.
Jordan, Mom doesn't notice that. That's why she's saying
That's
real.
your plan.
He's not like, oh, that's true. Yeah, your dog do be looking crazy. So that's what your dog is. Don't cry. Must be behind the scenes, not the invisible husband.
Yeah. Once you get the video.
Right.
I don't know how it's supposed to be done.
You showed them them?
I was cutting it in thin slices, but
I mean, don't they have the Thanksgiving over at their people's house? I don't understand. Oh, everybody just prepares it for them.
yeah, I think they do.
Those some nice slices. Oh my.
This thing is sharp, that's why.
Oh my goodness.
I got it from the Chinese place.
Ooh, look at the nice thin slices and they're perfect.
Just enough.
Look, it's easy.
Oh.
You got it from Chinese place?
Yeah, the market.
Chinese, they have Chinese food as well as tools?
No, like it's like a vegetable market, you know, like the farmer's market.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
They are at this section where they got all these knives right there. I'm like, I gotta get one of them. It was sharper than that when I first got it.
It's Chinese, not Japanese? Because the
think so.
Japanese got some nice knives too.
It might be Japanese. I call them. It might be Japanese.
No offense to anybody, we just trying to figure it out. Well, that's the spread. We all took our plates, filled it up, and sat back down at the table, said some prayers, said some things that we're thankful for, and we enjoyed ourselves. Now, here are the cats. This is before we sat down. Enjoy this little clipping of the cats.
Prettiest cat I've ever seen. She's so pretty. Look at her little feet together. It's just so perfect.
Looking at the kitty cat was looking at Dr. Janet Yu with Level Up with Janet E. Open up a can and thinking it's for him. It's the other one coming beside.
Oh, fat cat.
Look at that. The cat's name is Fat Kitty.
Tiny cat always has to.
Tiny cat.
Right.
This is Tiny Cat. Look at Tiny Cat looking at the camera.
Oh.
And the big fat one right there is for
Oh
Fat
no,
Cat.
that's supposed to be Tiny Cat.
Tiny Cat is the big
Right,
one.
now
Oh
Tiny
my
Cat got
lord.
bigger.
Big cat looks
Now
bigger
Big
than me.
Cat.
Big cat and Tiny Cat.
Look.
You
Okay,
guys
now that
don't
I'm
laugh
looking
at
at
this.
Wait a minute.
Look at that. You both look nice.
She's just fat now.
I've never seen.
my
I've never
God.
And
actually
she's
looked at
slimmed
it.
down.
Wait.
What? A spot?
No, she's
On the
slimmed
side?
down.
Yeah,
no.
that one's
Great cat.
Big
gigantic.
Cat's taller, but she's
Yeah.
wider.
Yeah, taller and wider.
Teddy Cat's a little wider.
Thank you so much for joining us for our Thanksgiving meal. Please come back next week and see what I have back to my normal schedule. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and enjoy, what do they call it again? The Friday after Black Friday. All right now. Please be nice to each other. Please be a blessing. And as always, as a part, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.